All right. So yeah, this is the recording for the 27th of June for the MicroProfile AI call. Um, I had a to-do from last week, which was to catch up with Clement and try to, I guess, invite him. I did invite him to the call, and he's actually out today. He's on PTO. So I put into the minutes his 2 cents on the questions that we had from last week. Oh, I think Emmanuel's rejoining. Maybe give a second for him. This call is getting smaller by the minute. Um, all right, there he is. Hey, Emmanuel.
Hello, it is working now?
Works for me. Are you able to hear us?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Uh,
cool. All right, so yeah, I was just saying I invited Clement to the call. Clement is apparently though on PTO, so he uh, gave back his thoughts, I guess, about trying to get the content um, that we now have in the repo pushed to Maven Central as a build. And so he said he'll check with Dimitro to add one of the admins, probably you, Emmanuel, to have the right to publish to Central. Um, he suggests we keep the version number below 1.0 as there's still moving parts. And regarding the retirement of SmallRye, he said we should either delete the repo or make it read only. So that all sounds sane to me. Um,
I, I think we can archive it on GitHub. Maybe that so that it's still there, but well, yeah, it's still on.
sorry, can you say again, Emmanuel? A bit hard to hear you.
Yeah, I think yeah, we should archive the GitHub repository, and then so it becomes read-only and can just be even if the history should be on the function for JCDI, we still have the small Y history on it. But
Right, that would, yeah. So we don't lose in case we want to reference back.
And yeah, Dimitri just gave me the admin rights yesterday, so
Okay.
I will check. I will check with Clément. I don't. I didn't see him online today, so
I think he's off today.
yeah, yeah. I remember he told me that he's on PTO every Friday until maybe
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Burning vacation days. Makes sense. All right. Yeah, the other thing I was going to mention from my side is just I did try out, or I am in the process of trying out the LangChain CDI um, repo. So built the core stuff that all went fine. I tried to run the Liberty stuff, and uh, I was just doing that last night, and I ran into errors trying to get it to run. So I I'll continue that process, I guess, to try to figure out what's up and if necessary, see what's appropriate, whether a new PR is coming or what to try to resolve that. I do notice a couple spots in there where it talks about small rye as well, which in the README. So I think that obviously needs to get cleaned up. Um, but yeah, it would be good to get to the point where that's able to run cleanly.
yeah. I think I have a PR. I don't know. Waiting to upgrade to Longchain4j 1.1.0, and I think I fixed also integration testing on the GitHub. Um, because the GitHub actions were a bit funky after the move. And so I think I did that, I don't remember if last week or beginning of this one. Um,
Okay. Hey,
maybe,
Buhaki, welcome.
maybe it's merged.
All right.
Well, yeah, I guess it was merged. Yeah, okay, why merge that? we are on launching for J1.1.0. Uh, yeah, I didn't remember if I merged it, but yeah, working with the project. Yeah. So we should have at least basic integration testing running now on PRs.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you, but I think you're saying, Emmanuel, that you've got the integration testing set up and running.
Yeah. Uh, let me see. Uh, maybe we could check. Yeah, it should be working. Is it better now when I talk?
Oh, much better.
Right. I've done nothing on my side for now, so I don't know. Well, I'm going to look at what's missing already, but I think but from one of my issues I've raised, I think I'm going to raise it on the Jakarta group.
Is that the issue related to the fault tolerance?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I did see, Buhake, that you posted on that this week, and that nobody, unless that happened since yesterday, had responded to you on it. So that makes
No,
sense to keep getting closer to the people that that actually might help us on it. Okay. Um, all right, and you missed, I guess, Buhake at the beginning. I said Clement couldn't make it today. He's on vacation, PTO. Um, I put into the minutes just his reply, which was he's going to check with Demetrio and add probably Emmanuel to the list of people that can publish to Maven Central. And he suggests keeping the version number below 1.0 since there's still changes going on. And he agrees with retiring the SmallRye LLM repo, either deleting it or making it read-only. So he said he'd try to join next week as well. All right. What else?
So do we agree with moving with Langchain CDI going forward with all the issues that's raised and all of that stuff?
Sorry, audio's cutting up. Did you say, do we agree with the CDI repo? What about that? Would you mind
So
saying?
if there's any issue that's being tough, are we going to make it now? Or we don't know from the LLM and then for the CDI until it Smora LLM.
Sorry, I only got like a quarter of that at best. I don't know if anybody else heard.
Yeah, so it's very hashed
Let
and
me.
back.
I'll put the into the chat. I'll put the link to the minutes, Buhaki. I don't know if you want to just put your question in there. Um, we're only getting like the tiniest bit of audio from you, Buhaki.
Yeah, it's impossible to understand. Yeah,
Sorry.
I'm trying to
Oh,
get
that's
above
frustrating.
ground now. So my thing was, while Smora LLM is not tied yet, if there's any issue that we picked up, do we only worry about Langchain for JTDI, or do we apply it on both until Smora LLM is retired?
I think the goal is to be able to release Longchain for JCDI as soon as possible. So we shouldn't try to do anything more on small ILLM. Except, I mean, the goal is to move on from small ILLM to Longchain for JCDI.
Okay. So we might as well retire small LLM now then. Make it read only on the repo.
Yep. Yeah, we should. I don't know who can do that. I don't think I have
Emily has that.
the permissions. Yeah.
Emily has that privilege.
Yeah, I think so. That I assume, Emmanuel, that's well, actually, I don't know. Yeah, that's not part of what Clement said as far as the small RAI LLM goes, but I guess if Clement is on in a week, then perhaps he has the authority to do that.
Yeah.
Or if you want to reach out to him.
He told me about that too, but I don't know if he has the permissions. Maybe Marcello. I think it's much. No, not Marcello. Sorry. Roberto. Sorry. Roberto. Maybe I can ask Roberto Cortes to look into that. But the issue is currently, since Red Hat is moving to IBM next week, might be a bit funky to get attention from people to do that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So I don't know what kind of time they will get.
Okay, makes sense. All right. Anything else?
No, not on my side.
Okay. All right. Buhaki, I did mention too that I tried running the Liberty example. I ran into some problems, so I'm going to just try and debug what's up with that. And hopefully at least have a clear answer of what's wrong with it and if possible, a PR.
Okay.
Sorry. I just like to say that.
No, carry on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead, Lewis.
Okay. No, I just like to say that me and Alfonso from Payara, we can help trying to run the examples in the new repository and test them and verify if everything is working. Because we talked with the guys today, and in our planning we will separate some time to do this on the next week, so we can help with that.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah.
And then
so we can just put our comments there in the repository after the testings.
And if everybody on the Slack channel, then we can also post your issues over there, and then we can try and help as well.
Okay.
Also, we took a quick look with Jan on the issue that is raised currently against Azure. I think it's a response format.
Yeah, that's why because I know what the issue is.
Yeah. So do I.
My question was, do I fix it on small RAI or do I fix it on Langchain for JCDI in small RAI? That's what.
No, we should. Yeah, we should go on the Longchain for JCDI. Yeah. The idea,
okay.
I don't know how you plan to do it, but the idea was to be able to set that because if I remember correctly, it's expecting a set of I don't remember if it's an enum or a class.
It's an enum, but then
yeah, But I mean, we should have a way to tell that it's a class that is expected and that we should get. I mean, because it treats dev function for JModel chat capability response from JSON schema as a string and not as a class. That's why it fails.
Yeah.
Because it's a set. Yeah. It's a set of
Yeah, but then the thing is, I've got an idea for a solution because I know LangChain project might add new features here. So we can't just expect LangChain project to be something like basic. So yeah, okay, I'll try and work it out on LangChain project CDI.
Yeah.
And get it.
Just being Jan, because I know he was planning to look into it.
Okay.
But I don't know if he made any progress. He told me that on Monday, I think. Oh, yeah, I think it was Monday. So
Yeah, okay.
and
That's fine.
Okay. All right. I guess is that a wrap up then?
yeah.
All right. Cool. All right. Thanks. Have a good weekend, everyone.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
See ya.
Cool.
Good weekend, guys. Bye. See you.